guys, this is Leslie Shelton Walters. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and for joining me on this big old Temu haul. This is heavy. This is the bag. I have not opened it yet. Look how big this is. This is chock full of stuff, mostly clothing. So we're gonna open this in real time. I am so excited. I got this yesterday. This has been sitting in my house until I could do this on camera with you guys. So excited. Okay, here we go. Here, I'm opening it. I'm opening it. And I hope you do subscribe by the end of this video because I love shopping at Temu and I hope you do too if that's why you're here. This is the first thing. All right. This is a dress. Oh my gosh. Look at the button detail at the top. It's a long dress all the way down. And I love this material. I have another dress from Temu that is this material. It's very, very comfy and warm during the winter. So this is going to be a fall winter clothing. Well, let's just call it a fall because it's not really a winter. A fall clothing Temu haul. And I tried to pick up all upscale kind of pieces that have rich auntie vibes, okay? There is a sleeve detail, so I think it's like a billowing sleeve detail, but we can see everything right here, okay? How it fits. Hopefully it fits kind of form-fitting, which was what I was kind of going for. This is a size large. I got everything in a size large because Temu large is 8 to 10 and that's what my size is. I'll put all my sizes and measurements and all of the links for every single piece that I unpack will be below. Maybe pair that with some heels, boots for fall. That's what we're going to pair that with. Okay, second thing is not even clothes. I already know what this is. This is a runner that I'm gonna put in at my entryway door table to replace the one that I have there because it's kind of old and not looking so nice anymore. So it's kind of like this boho fringe neutral color runner that is going to sit on the entryway, and I'm gonna put my light and my candles and just all the little knickknacks on it. I'll show you guys a picture of it right here once I've done that. This is going to look really nice and it's going to upscale my entryway for sure. This is a two-piece outfit that had rich auntie vibes all over it. You can style this with heels, you can style this with sandals, and it's going to be a very beautiful banging piece for fall. And you could also wear it into summer too, spring, summer. So it's shorts. So I love the design and the detailing on there. So you have the shorts, and then you have this really exquisite top with all of the detailing. Where's the sleeve? My gosh, here's long sleeved. So it's not short sleeved, which is why I would call it more of a fall item. It's long sleeved, completely button up in the front. It's definitely polyester material. I thought maybe it would be more silky, like that silky polyester, but it's not. This is more of a thick polyester. So if we're talking about spring, we're talking about late spring, early summer, you wouldn't be able to wear this in like the stark heat of summer. But that's why it probably would be best for fall. This looked so charming, so classy, so chic, and oh my gosh, it just screams, take me out somewhere on the yacht. That's what that's screaming. Okay, for sure. Next thing, I got this pack of belts. It was only, I think, $4 or $5, maybe $7, and you get 7 belts. Let's count. Let's open it up and count. Okay. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 belts. And these actually are much thinner than I thought these were going to be. I thought these were going to be more regular size belts, and they have the gold detailing on them. So you get a black one, you get a brown one, you get kind of a khaki straw braided one, a white one, and this one's is this either another black or it's a really dark brown. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 belts. Really good. I'll make sure that they fit me and aren't too long, because they look a little long, but then, you know, hey, whatever. Are a little thinner than I wanted. So we'll see if I want to keep those. We'll see. This is a shirt. Now you see the detailing right there in the front. That is kind of gave me like upscale vibes on that, with the V-neck. Here's the sleeve detail. It has buttons. It is obviously very, very wrinkly. It would need to have some spray out and to like the wrinkle spray stuff to like get the wrinkles and throw it in the dryer. So I'm sure I'm going to do that before I try it on. But here is what it looks like on. Yeah, I'm not sure how it's going to look like on. Hopefully it looks good. But I thought that looked very, very stylish and classy in the photo. So yes. Oh, next I got these fake toenails. Press-on toenails. This is what the style is looking like, just like that, with the gold detailing line and the gold glitter. Those are going to look very pretty as press-on toenails. These are shorts. These are kind of camel khaki shorts. All right. They're gonna have to be pressed out as well. These would go great with the shirt I just showed you for a neutral kind of color blocked neutral look. I probably will put that together, or I'll put it together with the jeans that are in here. But these are what the shorts look like. They are hitting the knee. They do have the elastic waist in the back, plus they have the belt loops. They look pretty well made for the most part, and you would be able to just kind of throw on one of those belts that I showed you, and that actually probably would work with the thin belt motif. But very, very preppy look, classic look, upscale look. I actually had ordered a sweater to wear with this that was also that neutral color tone, color block, but they were out of it. When I ordered it, they refunded me the money because they could not ship it to me, and I was very sad because I wanted to put that whole outfit together and I couldn't. Oh well. Next is a purse. Oh, this purse. I'm hoping I like this purse as much as I did on the site. It's got its own dust bag to go with it. This is a dupe, I guess, I would assume, of a Valentino purse, since it does have the V on there. Look at that. Now, I know it probably doesn't look like the real thing, but to me, I don't know the difference, and who cares? So you can wear it like this, or you can kind of do it like this with a longer strap. I probably would wear it like this with a long strap. I like how it's kind of adjustable like that. Let's open it up. Okay, that's the, look at that inside. This was only $7 or something like that. How can you beat that price? That's what it is inside. You got the room. I love the white. I love the, what is it, the metal clasp right there. Let's see if it, yep, goes in right easy. Very well made bag. Very well made bag. I'm liking that. I think This is the next purse that I ordered. It's actually a 2-piece set. Okay, just looking at it, I didn't realize it was going to be kind of a tortoise shell. It looked like it was going to be more of a monochromatic brown, and it is a little bit bent right here, but I think this will do for what I was thinking. So as you can see, it's like a handheld bag. I guess you would hold it here. There's this zipper detail in the front. Here it is in the inside with a zipper here, and you can have, there's a strap in there, so you can use it with a strap, which is what I would do. And then this is the second piece. There is a coin purse. See, I thought this purse was going to be like this, but it's more like this. So the coin purse, or a makeup bag, really, I guess you could use that for some makeup, goes in here. And in my last very short Temu haul, I had a scarf that I got through Temu. I got it through Temu, and it's a fake Hermes scarf, like Hermes, you know, reminiscent, right? And so I said I was getting a brown bag to be able to put the scarf on. I'm gonna tie it on and put it right here for you guys so that you can see what my end result was. Jeans. I ordered some jeans. Now, these have some distressing on them, but they are distressed at the bottom with some distressing in the leg, in the rear, and this is what the front is. So that's what we got looking like there. They're not quite like the picture, but we'll see how they do and if I like them. They are looking a little bit on the inexpensive side as far as jeans go, but we'll see what they are doing. This one I was really excited about. It's a sweatshirt and shorts set. So a fleece sweatshirt and shorts set that will be really nice in those in-between days where it's kind of warm enough where you can still kind of get away with shorts, but not super cold yet. And it's very, very warm fleece material, and it says Milano, Italy, and the shorts say Milano, Italy as well. This looked like this was going to be a really great item that you could pair for those casual days when you're just at home or you have to run errands, throw on some sneakers, and look really, really chic with it all. I love Temu sweatshirts. They are very warm when you need them to be warm. Sometimes they can be a little too warm even, but I love the color. It's apricot, and I think that's going to be a cute item to wear on those casual fall days. Some more nail stuff. So that is, those are for my, they're not press-on nails, but they are nail wraps. Pink design with glitter. Those are kind of cute, I got a pair of shoes. Here are the shoes. So in that neutral color block theme, these are, here, I'll grab these ones. These are very cool. Oh my gosh, I love these. Just the flat, there's no heel to it, but you can't wear these in the rain because they're gonna mess up. It's that faux kind of suede, maybe. It's like a material, it's not suede, but it's like that faux suede, right? So definitely love the color. You can pair that with black, white, all types of browns, khakis. Yes, this is going to be just a very elegant pair together shoe. And I got these in a 7.5, so hopefully they do fit. Just the last thing this the last thing? Yes. No, nope, it's not. There's one more. There's one more of these. Oh, those are pretty nail wraps. Oh, those are pretty with that detail, that like diamondy detail right there. These are also Temu nail wraps that I have on my fingers right now with the butterflies. Yes, but okay, those are gonna look pretty on. Last item. This is a 2-piece set. I was excited about this one too. It's a jumpsuit. It's a black 1-piece jumpsuit that has this plaid cropped shirt that you can layer over, and you can wear it open, you can wear it closed. Now here's the jumpsuit. Oh, and it's got these spaghetti straps. So this is the front. I think this is gonna be so cute if it fits. Yes, and it's long. Okay, so long jumpsuit. But I thought this just screamed fall, and this was just such a great thing you could pair. And oh my gosh, I'm loving that one. I'm so excited to wear this. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, where I am, it's still kind of in the 80s. We haven't gotten like true fall weather yet, but when we do, oh, I'm gonna be rocking so many of these things together. It's gonna be awesome. So excited. Okay, that's it for my very huge fall Temu haul. All the accessories, all the clothes. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I absolutely loved everything. I hope you enjoyed. Please do click that subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I do a Temu haul or any other haul. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Drop all your comments below. What was your favorite? What did you love? What did you not like? And what would you get? Thank you so much, guys, for rocking with me. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.